You're fine. Okay.
So we're going to solve this question doing both methods.
Okay.
And we should get literally the same exact answer for both. So go ahead and I want you to show me you doing the elimination way, not elimination, sorry, substitution way.
Thank you. So then negative 4 x minus 2 by 1/2, negative 1/2, and x minus 3 is equal to 12. 1 minus 6 is equal to 12. 4x